Welcome to HWM Aston Martin. Today we've got for you this beautiful lightning silver DBX. This is a 550 DBX, or what I say, the original version of DBX, but has a really cool and sporty colourway. This car is a 2021 on a 21 plate, done 9,600 miles from new, and has come recently back into stock from selling it earlier on this year. So as I say, finished in lightning silver, which is a colour that's been around quite a while for Aston. Was originally on DBS as one of the launch colours when the DBS manual first came out in 2007 and 8. And I do think it's a fantastic colour, particularly when it's outside, or if you've got a bit of contrast here with the black on the car. So moving around the front of this DBX, this car's got a very much of a sort of a light and dark theme on it. So we have the black finish front grille in the front of the vehicle, along with the dark chrome badges on the front and also on the rear, which we'll show you shortly. We also have the gloss black lower body package. So you might see something on DBX's, the earlier cars. Some had the cladding or the bodywork on the side of the vehicle and some didn't. This particular car does have the gloss black cladding across the bottom of the car. It does make a difference to the look of the vehicle. We also have the gloss black upper package on this car, so we have the side strakes and also your mirror caps in gloss black, your window surround here, and also your roof rails on the top. We also have the satin finish 22-inch sport wheels with a anodized brake caliper behind. Moving around to the rear of this vehicle, we have the smoked rear lights here, along with the, as I was saying earlier, we also have the black badging on the back, sports exhaust and black tail tips. We also have, and as you can probably see, we have the top tier privacy glass on this car. So we have the laminated rear 3/4 of the vehicle with the privacy glass on the side. But you do have things like blind spot monitoring on this vehicle, keyless entry, keyless go, which you can deactivate on this car. But we'll give you a bit of a walk round and then we'll take you through on the interior spec. So moving on to the interior of this vehicle, we have a dark and light theme on the inside of this car as well. It's really nicely spec'd, this vehicle. So we have the obsidian black leather throughout the car with the full contrast stitching. So not just on the dash and also on your door cards and seats, but we also have the contrast quilting here on the seat with the perforation. So this car has heated and cooled seats inside the vehicle, finished off with a satin chrome jewellery package inside the car. So that'll be your centerpiece on here, the ring that runs around here, and also on your steering wheel, your paddles, speaker grills, and also your door pulls as well. Just lifting that inside. We also have the obsidian black Alcantara roof lining with the blackout blind for your panoramic roof and dark finish carpet. We also have the bright aluminium tread plates on the side of this car. We also have touchpad control, and that will run your infotainment along with your Apple CarPlay. And then we then have multi-contour seats with bolster and lumbar support and memory settings, driver and passenger side. For further details of this vehicle, do give us a call here at the showroom, or you can visit our website, which is hwmastonmartin.co.uk.